In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a sheet tab in Google Sheets. If you've ever set up a perfect layout for a tracker, budget, or monthly log, and want the exact same structure for the next period without rebuilding it, duplicating your current tab is the fastest, safest way to go. This keeps every cell format, formula, and layout intact, giving you a clean template to work from. Start by locating the tab bar at the bottom of your Google Sheets window. This is the horizontal strip that shows all your sheet tabs, each one like a separate page in your file. Find the tab you want to copy. Make sure it's the one with the layout, formulas, and formatting you're happy with. Next, open the tabs menu. The simplest way is to right-click directly on the tab name. If you're on a trackpad or a device where right-clicking isn't straightforward, click the small down arrow on the tab instead. Both actions open the same context menu, so use whichever is easiest on your device. From that menu, choose Duplicate. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets instantly creates a full copy of that tab within the same file. You'll see a new tab appear in the tab bar, usually right next to the original. By default, Google Sheets names it Copy of followed by your original Sheets name, so it's obvious which tab it came from. What you get is an exact clone. All formatting, like column widths, colors, borders, and conditional rules, comes along. All formulas and functions are preserved as they were, including data validation, filters, and protected ranges on that tab. Any references within the sheet will continue to work the same way they did in the original. If your formulas point to other sheets in the same file, those references still point to those same sheets, just as before. This approach is perfect when you want a consistent template for recurring work. For example, you might duplicate a monthly budget sheet, a weekly roster, or a project sprint page. Because you're making a copy inside the same file, nothing in the original tab is changed, and edits you make in the duplicate won't affect the source tab. That's all there is to it. Look at the tab bar, right-click, or use the small down arrow on the tab you want. Choose Duplicate, and a new tab named Copy of your original appears, ready for you to use as a fresh starting point. It's quick, reliable, and keeps your workflow tidy and consistent.